What are you guys doing? No. Great news today. Bill Ackman's Pershing Square will be releasing the largest SPAC in U.S. history, nearly $4 billion, valued at about $20 a share. Why this is important? This guy doesn't mess around. He recently just turned $27 million into $2 billion, shorting the stock market. Likewise, 52 days after issuance, we should see our IPO listed on the market, which is Friday, August 13th. He will be investing this SPAC, not taking compensation, into mature unicorns over $1 billion in market capitalization. Don't mess around with this guy. Today we're talking about Albertsons Company. Albertsons Grocery is the second largest grocery chain in North America, only behind Kroger Group. This is not the sexiest high flyer such as Tesla or some of these Robinhood ones, but this is steady growth. Lots of income, lots of earnings, totally ignored, totally missed. So I did some call options today, picked up some shares. Earnings are going to be on July 27th. So keep an eye out for that if you want a short-term trade for the next week or so. This could be a good one. It's catching up on growth to Kroger.